What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Joshy. Make sure to hit me up at Twitter at the Hoots Podcast. By the way, we're here with a brand new music reaction video. This is called Truck Bed by Hardy. Hardy puts out a lot of good songs. I did Way in the Truck on the guitar before, and we're gonna look to spice up the channel a little bit, add some different type of content. So this is a new video that came out. I saw this is in the trending section. I was like, why not check it out, right? So this is called Truck Bed by Hardy. If you have any songs, country related songs you want me to check out, let me know in the comment section down below, and we'll have some fun with it. But anyways, enough talking for me. Let's check out this out. This is Truck Bed by Hardy, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Music video. Shout out to Justin Claw.
I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone
No
drop.
shit.
Bottle of Jack, I was partying. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. She said, don't come home if you go to the bar. So I said, okay, baby, then got drunk out in the yard. 2 a.m. I knock up on the door. But she never unlocked it, guess I don't live there no more. Yeah, she meant business this time. I can't believe my bloodshot eyes. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone drop. Bottle of Jack, I was partying. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah.
It's a good vibe. I love the intro to the
Use
guitar
that
part
empty
there.
bag of corn to rest my head. A camo jacket for a blanket, then passed out like I was dead. Still got one heck of a buzz. If I look like a train wreck, it's because I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone drop. Bottle of Jack, I was partying. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yes, I did. I can't believe I gotta be at work at 9. That fucking bird's about to catch this 45. Oh, I guess if this really is goodbye, at least I took my boots off this time.
Oh no. What the hell is this? A damn GCW festival? Uh-oh.
Is he okay?
That looks like Taylor Lewan from the Titans.
He's good!
This is a good video.
You could say I got what I deserve.
I dig that. That was cool. Now, I don't know if I would be petty like that to throw a party and just go absolutely insane with an ex of mine. But I got the premise of what he was saying. That he's like, yeah, I may have deserved to get the boot, but guess what? I'm still going to be me and living my life. So I really dig that story, and the music video is really cool. It's kind of like one of those like 2005-ish like rock band type of videos. I digged it. So that was Hardy's Truck Bed. I liked it. Did you guys like it? And if you have any stories, if this was relatable to you, I'm curious to see it in the comment section down below. But like I said, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to push the post notifications bell as you can get notified when new episodes or videos are dropped here on the channel. So hope you guys enjoyed it. That was Hardy's Truck Bed. And this is owned by the label that he's from, and I'll give all those credits in the description down below. And we appreciate it. So on to the next one. And like I said earlier, if you have any other music reactions you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section down below. All right, we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.